Hello, teacher. I am so glad you're here because if you're here, you've been thinking about starting a blog for a while now and you're finally ready to get it done. I started a blog just over 2 years ago with the intention of showing teachers how to travel better on a budget, and I've so loved doing that, but it's really just grown since then. Since starting that blog 2 years ago, I have operated a community on Facebook of over 3,000 teachers, and that ended up being me taking teachers on trips, which turned into a tour company, which turned into me becoming a travel agent, helping other teachers become travel agents, as well as a Teachers Pay Teachers store, and all of those revenue streams combined consistently earn me 4 figures per month on top of my teacher salary. I share this with you not to brag, but to show you that it is super possible for you to make consistent income from blogging, and blogging has been an excellent pathway and storefront for me to be able to do that, and it can do the same for you too. If you're not familiar with me yet, by the way, hello, my name is Brittany. You've already figured this out, but I'm a teacher, travel business owner, TPT seller, and business coach for teachers, and I love helping teachers discover ways to earn passive income so that they can travel whenever they want, work from wherever they want, and earn as much as they want. So if you're ready to have a blog that makes money while you sleep, which is amazing, and you're ready to get it launched in 5 days, get it done, this bootcamp is for you. I can't wait to see you in there. It starts September 21st, and it is just 5 days. Give me 5 days, we'll have that blog launched. I so look forward to seeing you in there. Bye.